You probably heard this. Cybersecurity is booming. There's a huge talent shortage. Just get a certification and you're in 90 days. I'm here to tell you most of that is a myth. I'm Cybersecurity, a cybersecurity engineer and consultant with over 10 years of experience in the IT industry. I've lived it, and now I help IT professionals just like you get into cyber without wasting time on fluff. In this video, I'm breaking down the biggest lies in the cybersecurity industry in 2025 and showing you what actually works if you want to get in and stay ahead. No corporate sugarcoating, just real talk. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's talk about this myth floating around in 2025. The cybersecurity industry is booming and there's a massive talent shortage. Sounds exciting, right? But let me tell you the truth. Yeah, there's a talent shortage out there, but it's not what you think. The shortage is for experienced mid-level professionals who can hit the ground running from day one. Companies are looking for people they need to train from scratch. See, in this industry, businesses don't have time or resources to teach someone from zero. It's just a reality. Every company has a salary band set for a role, and they want to get the best possible candidate in that range. That means they're looking for ROI, return on investment. So if you want to get that job, you have to be at the top of your game, better than the next candidate. That could be technical experience, real-world knowledge, business understanding, your communication style, could be anything. Whatever gives you an edge. No company in the right mind is hiring someone and saying, let's teach them everything from scratch. You've got to meet them halfway. And let me say this clearly. When you're looking at job descriptions, stop hunting for the keyword entry level. It doesn't exist the way you think it does. Look for real cybersecurity roles and then ask yourself, am I good enough for this yet? Because the best way to break in is by having real-world hands-on experience with the actual tools and systems that companies use. You need to get specific, niche down. If you want to go into blue team roles, get really good at that one thing, alright? Don't waste time chasing certifications that talk about pen testing if you're not even going down that path. You've got to deliver value from day one. Myth number 2, just get a certification and you're in. Look, the certification industrial complex is feeding you a dream. It's marketing. It's a lie. And so many people are falling for it. You've seen them, people with every possible certifications and still no job. Or they land an interview and freeze because they don't know how to answer real-world questions. Certifications don't teach you how the industry actually works. So when someone asks you about incident response or malware analysis or digital forensics, you go blank because you learned just enough to pass a multiple choice test question. Let me be real with you here. I only focus on certifications for the content part of it, for the roadmap, not for validation. I never use them to tell myself, now I'm worthy. In fact, if you don't want to pay for the exam, that's fine. You can still list that training on your resume to putting that keywords on your resume, and that will help you get past HR filters. Now, yes, if you're in the US and applying for DoD jobs, you'll need Security Plus, for instance. That's different because that's required. But for most other cases, don't think a cert equals a job. That's not the game anymore. We need people with real-world skills, period. Number 3, AI is going to replace cyber jobs. Alright, I'm just going to give you my take here because no one really knows how this is going to fully play out in future. AI is not brand new, to be honest. Back in 2015, a lot of companies were already using automation, machine learning tools. But today, AI is commercialized. ChatGPT and all these LLMs are in everyone's hand right now. So what does that mean? Yes, some jobs, especially repetitive, tradable roles like SOC analyst, SOC analyst, might eventually get automated. If your daily work is just looking at logs, clicking buttons, escalating alerts, that stuff can be automated easily. Maybe not today, maybe not even in 5 years, but it's coming. If you're in one of those roles now, don't panic, but you have to start preparing for it. If you're in your 30s right now, working as a SOC analyst, you want to keep growing, this is the time to move up actually. Start learning leadership, start getting better technically, start thinking strategically, get better, because guess what? This isn't new. Tech evolves. The dot-com bubble happened. The cloud shift happened before. This is just another wave. You cannot fight it, but you can ride it. Understand what companies are hiring for these days. Search AR-related skills in the job posts. Look at the tools. Become that hybrid weapon. The one who understands cyber, knows how to use AI, and thinks like a strategist. That's how you become unstoppable. Myth number 4. Cybersecurity is only for elite hackers. This one makes me laugh all the time. Cybersecurity isn't just hoodie-wearing hackers breaking into networks. We've got GRC, governance, compliance risk. We've got cloud security, physical security, application security, network identity, like so many things. There's a whole ecosystem, and most of it has nothing to do with hacking. Maybe you're applying to penetration testing jobs right now, and you're not getting anywhere. And it's because there aren't many entry-level jobs in that space. But what if you could pivot it? What if you looked at other roles that need people right now? I used to believe that hype too back then. Some guru on the internet saying, get this certification, get a Google certification, and you're hired. It didn't happen. It doesn't work that way anymore. What actually works these days, what's worked for me and my peers is this. Think like a business. Every job in cyber exists to protect something valuable inside the business. So the more value you can bring to a business, the more problems you can solve, the more valuable you become. When you're applying to a job, talking to recruiters, pitching yourself, stop thinking about yourself. It's not about you. Start thinking, what problem can I solve for them, for the business? That mindset is what gets you hired these days. That's what gets you paid, alright? Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like my video, drop a comment, ask your questions, and subscribe to my channel. And if you feel like someone else needs to hear this, share this video with your peers as well. I appreciate it, guys. See you in the next video. Cheers.